RP Productions, I have a bone to pick with you. I'm just kidding. Guys, if you have already been tuning in on the channel, you know that I'm doing a series on YouTubers that I was watching before I started my YouTube channel. And so, Riley with RP Productions, man, you are awesome. I hope that one day you can check out this video. I just want to let you know, major kudos to you. You were one of the channels that I was watching that got me inspired to start my own YouTube channel. So, man, there's a lot of things that I want to say, but first off, guys, if you have not checked out RP Productions on YouTube, you need to make sure to do that. That is a quality channel. Riley is a quality, genuine dude who is one of those crazy car enthusiasts who changes car every 6 months, 6 to 7 months. Right now, he is currently doing a Corvette build, and when I found his channel, he just got his Scat Pack. It was a purple Charger Scat Pack. And you know what? That car is one of my dream cars, and he was like 18 or 19 years old when he got that car. Maybe? Car? I don't know. I forget how old you were when you got that car, but I super envious and super jealous, and he's just really inspired me. He's just really fun, really creative. He's just, you know, one of those guys who's like, let's tinker with the car, let's take it to the track, let's go do some fun stuff. And I have thoroughly enjoyed watching him. Particularly, I loved when he bought the Hellcat. When he did the Hellcat series, I was drooling. Oh my gosh, he had this white Hellcat with the red seats, and man, he did so many custom things to it. It was just really fun to watch it, really fun to see him autocross that thing and just do a bunch of stuff. And I just really love following the progression of what he's done with the channel, how he's grown as a YouTuber, and I always enjoy it, and I look forward to watching his videos. And he's currently finishing up school, he's currently getting married, but I have just loved it. I actually forgot, guys, make sure to drop a like on this video, and make sure to subscribe if you're new, and make sure to subscribe to RP Productions on YouTube. Tell him BLP3 Motor sent you over. But guys, Riley's channel is one of the channels that I was watching very, very avidly. I think he drops 1 or 2 videos a week, but I was always staying tuned to make sure that I was watching the videos as he dropped them. He's a great channel. He's an awesome dude, you know. But he's really encouraging, really fun, and you can like backlog his videos and kind of just see how far he's come. He's been on YouTube for a while. But I think seriously YouTubing for a little over 2 years. But if you guys have not checked this channel out, it will be a treat. You need to start from, like, I would say start from the Scat Pack, but I think he had like a Charger before that. I think it was a black one, but it was like more of a base model one. But yes, so I believe he also has merch too, so check out his merch, check out my merch. Make sure to pick up a BLP3 Motors t-shirt. Don't hate, accelerate. We also have hoodies. But yes, guys, RP Productions is one of the channels that really got me started. I did the video earlier with tall guy car reviews. I keep messing it up. I don't know why. I think it's just because I'm nervous in front of the camera. But nobody's here. It's just me and the camera. But those two guys primarily are the guys that have inspired me to just pick up the camera, start recording, start doing stuff. But guys, again, thank you for watching. Thanks for tuning in. You know, this is just a little bit of a car vlog, but kind of getting you guys into a little bit about what's going on in my life, what kind of got me started, who I'm watching and who I currently watch, and there are a few more on this list, and so we're gonna get to them. But I appreciate you guys for watching, and leave some comments for me. I want to know who you guys are watching too, because that's what makes it fun, guys. So anyway, love you guys. Thanks for tuning in, and we will catch you guys on the next one.